Hi, welcome to Steek This Coffee Cozy, and this is the first part of it. By now you've already downloaded the pattern and have done the ribbing and possibly some of the color work, or if you're not sure on how to do stranded color work, I am going to do a quick demonstration. I am actually on the last row of color work. I just want to show you right here. This is the steeking section. Okay, we're going to actually be steeking right between these two columns of gray stitches. They're a little wonky because these are where all of the yarns are attached. So before we steek, I will straighten that all up. But as you can see, you're going to be cutting right in the middle there. So it's a nice visual for you. And that's where we're going to be steeking eventually. So as you can see, we just go along holding one hand with one color, one hand with the other color. And you know, I'm not really following dominance on this mug too much, this coffee cozy rather, or I would have kept the gray in my right hand. But you know, on sweaters I really try to follow that, and on mittens and stuff that we do color work. But on this, I started backwards and I continued going. So the most important thing to remember when you're doing stranded knitting is, and these are on, this is on size 12, this is on size 7, 12-inch needles. So they're a little kludgy because, as you can see, the needle's only like 2.5, 3 inches long. So it's a little difficult to hold. It's much nicer when you're doing a big sweater and you have a full 5-inch needle to hold. But, you know, you want to make sure that when you're going to the other color, like if I was going to do another gray loop right here, okay, and then do another purple right here, okay, you want to make sure that your stitches are pulled, spaced, because otherwise you're going to start to bunch your work, and once you start bunching your work, everything gets puckered. So that's the hardest thing that, and I still do it, and I've been doing this for a while, but I still do it. It is difficult. You can keep bunching, you can bunch your work easily if you don't keep the even tension and try to space out your needles. I hope that little sample was helpful, and then our next lesson is going to actually be the crochet reinforcement. Okay, so until next time.